The Durango's underhood lineup is about as immense, comprising of a 293-pull 3.6-liter V6 that is standard for most trims, and a solid 360-horsepower 5.7-liter V8 that is all that anyone could need for most clients, and a fire-breathing 475-horsepower 6.4-liter V8 in the Durango SRT. Race-wheel drive is standard charge, with all-wheel drive discretionary for generally setups. A 8-speed programmed with or shifters puts capacity to the wheels. Indeed, even in its most straightforward frame, the Durango rides well and handles with more verve than other hybrid SUVs on account of its back drive plan. It's overwhelming, however it tows all around okay with the V8s, as much as 8,700 pounds in SRT pretense. No Durango is particularly thrifty, particularly those with V8 control, yet the 18 miles per gallon city, 25 parkway, 21 consolidated figures for V6 all-wheel drive models are adequate given the vehicle's capacity. The Durango's inside offers great room yet doesn't coordinate the configurable space of some more family-situated opponents. With the third lineup standing, only 17 cubic feet of payload space anticipates little sacks and baby buggies, however that develops to 43.3 solid shapes with the rearmost seats collapsed. Delicate cowhide upholstery on up-level trims gives the Durango a top-of-the-line feel, even as the hybrid SUV's sticker price duplicates from its $30,000 beginning stage one completely optioned. One place where the Durango slacks is in security. A 4-star rating from the administration and a minor rating in the little cover crash test performed by the FS raise some warnings. The 2019 Dodge Durango's grandiosity reaches out past its underhood muscle to its conditioned styling. Despite the fact that this essential structure has been around for the majority of 10 years, we think it is maturing great and still merits a 7 on our scale. This year, the Durango GT channels its SRT older sibling with the new choice of the racing Durango SRT's domed hood with its practical air extractors. Something else, the look continues with a long rooftop configuration compromising between SUV, wagon, and hybrid. Insights of the long-gone Dodge Magnum persevere, however the Durango for the most part channels the Ram pickup lineup to great impact. A crosshair grille in advance gives the Durango a 18-wheeler shape that works incredible on everything except the Durango Citadel, which has only an inside to lot of chrome for us. Inside, the Durango's look is increased